Greenstone Harvey. So in this video today I'm going to be carving this millstone. This is a reclaimed millstone the customers found in the garden. Really nice millstone, a lot of character, not too big, a lot of character like I say. The face is really nice and it's got a square hole in the centre. So after a conversation with the customer, they decided on the wording, the font, the layout. So that's all marked on. My wife's already marked it on for me as she's been dealing with the customer. So that's really nice, it gives me a head start. I know that when this is finished, the customer's going to build it into a dry stone wall. It'd be nice if we could get a picture of that when it's done. Maybe I'll put a link in the description for later on. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to lay this down, pick my chisels, sharpen them up, and then I'll get doing a little bit of carving. That's another job done. As always, he's had 2 coats of paint, coat of seal, ready for its new home. When the customer dropped this off, they actually showed me a picture on their phone of where it's going to go. He's going to build it into a dry stone wall, which will look really nice. I built many a millstone into a dry stone wall myself over the years. Done properly, looks really well. Hopefully he'll send me a picture of when it's done. I'll be able to put a link in the description, maybe to the Facebook, Instagram account. But now it's time for home. It's 7:30. I'm ready for my tea. I hope you enjoyed watching me carve this millstone. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time.